Hello, my name is Sharice Porter. I am the co-founder and co-owner of Empowerment University. Working with Shea has been wonderful. I met her several years ago, and she offered a 30-minute session to speak with me about what my desires were for my business. When I spoke with her, she gave me such a wealth of information that I knew I had to be a part of her community. So I joined her community, and since being a part of her community, I have become a life coach. I have gone to several of her events, and it's just been wonderful. She's really helping me to build my confidence and helping me with the strategies and steps to get my business, Empowerment University, off the ground. I am now an author and a speaker, and Empowerment University is coming right behind that, so I'm ready to go. All thanks to Shea.